Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have explored the page type in Apex. Today, we shall build a simple employee directory application in Apex. In this project, we shall learn about creating tables, building Apex application, interactive reports, forms, dashboard, and cards. So first, sign in your Apex workspace and create tables. We have SQL workshop for creating tables. Then click SQL script, then create your script. I have already created my script in Notepad. Give it name. You can find the script link in the video description. Click create and run your script. You can see tables are created and rows are inserted into the tables. Then go to the app builder. Click create button. Enter the name of your application and create your application. Now click create page and choose interactive report. Enter the name of your interactive report and enable include form page option. It will automatically a form option with your interactive report for entering new employee information or update the existing. You have three options here: normal, model, and drawer. The normal option shows the form on the entire screen, and model show the form as a pop-up option, and the drawer slide from right side. Enter the name of your page, then select table. We have employees table, then click next. Select your primary key and create page. Now run your application. You can see the existing data. You can update any one of them, or you have a create option there to enter new employee information. Let's create new employee information. Then click create. You can see a new employee information has been entered in your employee directory. Similarly, you can update information and click apply changes. Information has been updated. Now, now we shall create a chart based on this application. You can create page from this option and click chart option. Select bar chart, enter the name of page like guys. We have a SQL query for chart dashboard. Validate your query. Click next. Choose the label column and value column and click create page. Now simply run the page and you can see the employees count department wise. Let's create another information in employee directory or update anyone. Choose finance department and click apply. Now we have one finance department employee, two IT employee, and one HR employee. So you can see in the dashboard you have two employees in IT department, one in HR and one in finance. So let's create a new region in your employee directory. Name it cards and select type cards. Choose SQL query and paste it here. Save that option. Go to attribute and select the title and subtitle employee count. Click save. Now refresh your page. You can see a card at the top of your report. Title, employees, and count 4. Total, we have 4 employees in our employee directory. Let's create another one. Now employee count is showing 5. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe.